Do you know that you can get free license for a lifetime of Microsoft Power Apps and Power Automate? Yes, it is possible. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So this is the Power Apps website. You need to go to powerapps.microsoft.com/en-us community plan. So this is basically a community plan, and what it says is get a free environment for individual use. Learn and develop your Power Apps and Power Automate skills. Explore and create a full-featured environment for development. Build apps on a single extensible view of your data with Microsoft Database. It means you can able to create only for your own. You cannot able to share with others. There are other features as well we'll discuss in this video itself. So for that, in order to begin, click on the get started for free. Before going to the next step, let me tell you one thing that you can able to use either your official account or your company account, because if you have something like your Hotmail or Outlook account, you cannot use it here. So click on get started for free. Once you click that, it will ask you for your enter your work email address. So here you need to enter your work email address. I'm typing it here like powerp@TAIK18.com. So it says you're using power18.com with another Microsoft services. It means I have already logged in, so it is giving me to log in instead of creating an account. So I need to enter the password here and then click sign in. No need to sign up. You already have a license for Microsoft Power Apps. Okay, got it. So now I need to fill this information like the country. So I'm from India. I'm selecting India and then send me the latest Power Apps update and then process. So if you can see a message is there, this is an individual environment and not meant for production use. So clearly mentioned it here, it's only for your individual environment. So this is completely free. Now let's have a look at the detail by clicking on learn more. The PowerApps community plan, a free development environment for individual use. Now, who can sign up for a PowerApps community plan? Anyone with a work or school account can sign up for a PowerApps community plan, but we specially recommend this plan if you want to build skill and learn more about Power Apps, Power Automate, and data towers. Are interested in building business apps and workflows to distribute on Microsoft App Stores. Like this, there are feature comparison between these. So which features are included in the Power Apps community plan? So if you look at here, one by one, we cannot able to share this app with others. The rest of them, everything is same. Other thing is create and use data flows and add co-workers as environment makers and admins. Add co-workers to the database roles. Those are not possible. And there is a limitations here that flows runs per month is 750. Flows only you can able to run, and database size is 200 MB, file storage is 2 GB. That's the limitation because this is a testing app, right? So the volume must be less. So the question is, will my Power Apps community plan subscription ever expire? You can use your Power Apps community plan subscription perpetually for free if you are actively using an individual environment. Then you won't lose access to any of your resources or functionality in the environment. You may, however, notice a delay when accessing your database for the first time after a long period of inactivity. This delay does not impact the data or entries stored in the Dataverse. So you can use it lifelong. If you're using it after a long time, then it will delay in opening the app for the first time, for the next time, and then you can use it as usual, but the data will not have any impact. And the next thing is, can I get to create multiple individual environments? No, because as this is an individual community plan, you cannot create more than one environment. Can I sign up with my personal account? No, you can only sign up with your work or school account. We currently do not support signing up with your personal account. Can I delete my individual environment? Tenant level admins have that permission needed to delete an environment through the user interface. An end user can delete an individual environment through PowerApps PowerShell admin commandlet. This is a PowerShell script, so you can use that if you want to delete your environment. Can I reset my developer environment? Resetting a developer environment is not currently supported. However, it can be deleted. The next time the community plan licensed user sign in to your Power Apps Maker portal, a new developer environment will be created. The user can then provision a common data services database in the environment. At present, the only way to remove the community plan from the user is for a tenant level admin to block all internal consent plan in the tenant using PowerShell. So this is all about how you can able to get your Microsoft Community Plan free for lifetime. The link is given on the description below. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.